So what I got here is the Baja designs. These are the red rock lights. So first off, I'm going to start off by want to remove these three. These are 10mm bolts. Once removed all three, simply just pry this out from the bottom and top and it'll come out. So this is how I basically have my brake on, so I can pretty much see if they're on or not. I just used a breaker bar, pried that, and that's turning on the brake. So if you're curious, like if you want to just find out which side is your positive or ground, I basically just ran this underneath to a ground bolt right there. So I'm going to be using a fuse tap. I actually went inside and I have the brake light on. And what this will do is this will illuminate once we find the positive side. So that one's showing that one. Doesn't illuminate on that. Or that. So this right here is the positive, which is the blue one here. So I already went ahead and T-tapped into the blue, and then this white one with black is actually the ground. So you'll leave this green one. So you can purchase these T-taps. What this does is you don't have to splice into you don't have to cut it. It just basically just goes right in to whatever you want to tap into. So like I was stating, this is the positive, hook up your red. I have two black cords, so it's a little confusing, but this one, blue, is the positive, so your red. This white and black one is your negative, so run that to your ground. So this is actually the middle one too. I didn't state that. The top one is not your brake light, that's a turn signal. And the middle one is your brake, and then I'm just running the wire just straight through the fender and up. So they do actually come like this, where you can just zip tie it, but I ended up just drilling it in afterwards. But I mean, you could totally zip tie it like this. All clean, and then just connect all three, or however many you want to do. Once you got that all installed with the back T-taps, go ahead and just put it all back, put your three bolts on.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends.